Dream Animals, a bedtime journey. There are animals from long ago and twice as far away. Their maps are made of starlight and can't be seen by day. These creatures are the reason dreamers get where dreamers go. Dreamland is too far to run and sleepy feet too slow. You only have to close your eyes, and when you snuggle in, you'll be carried to your dream tonight on wing or paw or fin. Perhaps a bear will carry you to meet peculiar friends who set their misfit table for a feast that never ends. Holy cow. What do they have here?
And okay, literally.
Humpty Dumpty, a robot. What do you think that is?
Monster.
Some kind of cool monster. And a bear. He must be a kind monster. Because, they probably would sit at the table with him. But I want to go over this. Muffins, bread, cookies, cake, pie. Is that a hamburger? Is that a waffle? Another cake? Oh, pineapple? I think that's like, what, a brownie and macaroons?
Come on, can you stop?
Oh, sorry, cheese. I can. Does that make you hungry?
No.
No.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Or will you hold on tightly as a red fox leaps and bounds toward an elfin hollow hidden underground? Look at that. They're giving her a crown. Ooh, berries. You can go for that for sure. But it's beautiful music. Will robins race to fly you somewhere high above the trees? Whoa. Look at that. That would be cool. Or will a narwhal dive with you beneath the 7 seas?
So you couldn't breathe under there.
It's just pretend, right? Yeah.
I did.
Oh my gosh, a mermaid tea? And she's sitting on a narwhal? You'd go crazy for that, wouldn't you? I would too. Will a tiger take you to a wonder of a show? With daring feats up overhead and wild beats below. That looks like quite a show. Or will you sail on moth wings to the edges of the blue? That moth is rather beautiful. To find the very moon and stars are waiting just for you. And the moon is sleeping, isn't it? Sleepy moon. Whatever dream you visit, when night replaces day, your furred or finned or feathered friend will surely know the way. Sweet dreams.